Let me ask you something very simple. What if you could make $10,000 a month without a degree, without a boss, and without leaving your bedroom? Most people think that is impossible. Most people are wrong. Right now, in 2026, artificial intelligence has completely changed the game. And the people who are paying attention are quietly building income streams that most 9-to-5 workers will never even dream about. Today, I'm going to show you 5 AI side hustles that are making real people real money every single month. And the best part is that you do not need to be a tech genius to start any of them. Stay with me until the end, because number 5 is the one most people completely overlook. And it might be the most powerful one on this list. Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, this is the place where we talk about real money, real strategies, and real results for people who are hungry to build something for themselves. Now, before we get into the list, I want to be clear about something. These are not get-rich-quick schemes. These are legitimate skills powered by AI tools that drastically reduce the time, effort, and money it used to take to build an income online. The people winning right now are the ones who started 6 months ago. The next best time to start is today. All right, let us get into it. Side hustle number 1. AI content. Writing agency content is the fuel that runs the internet. Every business, every brand, every startup needs blog posts, emails, product descriptions, and social media content every single week. Here is what most people do not realize. Businesses are not looking for a writer. They are looking for results. They want content that drives traffic, builds trust, and converts visitors into customers. With AI writing tools, you can now produce high-quality content 10 times faster than a traditional writer. You are not replacing your brain with AI. You are using AI as your engine, while your strategy and editing skills become the steering wheel. Start by picking one niche: real estate, health and wellness, finance, tech. Reach out to 5 small businesses in that niche every single day. Offer to write 3 blog posts as a free trial. Once they see the quality, close them on a monthly retainer package. One client paying $500 a month is your starting point. 20 clients gets you to $10,000. And with AI doing the heavy lifting, 20 clients is absolutely manageable. Side hustle number 2. AI YouTube automation channel. You are watching a YouTube video right now. That tells you everything you need to know about this opportunity. AI YouTube automation means you create a faceless YouTube channel where AI helps you write the scripts. AI voice tools narrate the content, and tools like CapCut and Canva help you put the video together. You never have to show your face. You never have to record your voice. But you build an audience, you monetize through YouTube AdSense, and you stack on affiliate marketing deals on top of that. The key to success here is picking the right niche. Finance, self-improvement, history, true crime, and technology channels perform extremely well. These audiences are massive, and advertisers pay premium rates for them. One channel in the finance niche with consistent uploads can realistically hit $5,000 to $10,000 per month within 12 months. Some creators run multiple channels at the same time. The work is in the beginning. The reward is in the consistency. Side hustle number 3. AI graphic design and digital products. If you told a graphic designer 5 years ago that someone with 0 design experience could produce professional visuals using AI, they would have laughed at you. Nobody is laughing now. Tools like Mid-Journey and Leonardo AI can generate stunning visuals in seconds. You can use these to create logos, social media templates, wall art prints, book covers, and Etsy digital downloads. The digital product business model is one of the most powerful in the world. You create something once and sell it thousands of times. There are no shipping costs, no inventory, no overhead. A well-designed pack of Instagram templates can sell for $15 to $30. Sell 100 of them a month, and you are looking at $1,500 to $3,000 from a single product. Stack multiple products across multiple platforms, and the numbers start getting very interesting very fast. Etsy, Gumroad, and Creative Market are your best starting points. Side hustle number 4. AI consulting and automation services. This one is for the people who like working directly with businesses and are not afraid to position themselves as an expert. Right now, thousands of small and medium businesses are completely overwhelmed by AI. They know they need to adopt it. They have no idea where to start. That is where you come in. As an AI consultant, you help businesses automate their repetitive tasks. Customer service chatbots, email marketing sequences, social media scheduling, lead generation workflows. These are all things you can set up using no-code AI tools that require zero programming knowledge. You learn the tools, you understand the business problems, and you charge anywhere from $1,000 to $5,000 per project. On top of that, you can offer monthly maintenance retainers. 3 to 5 clients a month, and you are at your $10,000 goal. This hustle rewards people who can communicate clearly and think strategically. The AI tools are just your toolkit. Side hustle number 5. AI coaching and course creation. Here is the one most people sleep on. You do not need to be the world's leading expert to teach people something valuable. You just need to be a few steps ahead of the people you are teaching. If you have spent 6 months learning how to use AI tools to grow a business or make money online, you now have knowledge that millions of people would pay for. Create a simple course. Record it using AI-enhanced tools. Sell it on platforms like Gumroad or Teachable. Or start a coaching program where you personally guide students through the process. People pay for transformation. They pay for shortcuts. They pay for someone who has already walked the path to show them the way. A course priced at... So there you have it. 5 AI side hustles that are genuinely making people $10,000 a month or more in 2026. AI content writing, YouTube automation, digital products, business consulting, and coaching or courses. Here is the truth nobody tells you. You do not need all 5. You need to pick one, commit to it for 90 days, and build it like your financial future depends on it. Because it does. The world is changing faster than ever before. The people who adapt are going to build extraordinary lives. The people who wait are going to watch from the sidelines wondering why they did not start sooner. You watch this video for a reason. Do not let that reason go to waste. If this video gave you value, hit that like button right now. It helps this channel grow, and it helps more people find this information. Subscribe if you are not already part of this community, and drop a comment below telling me which hustle you are going after first. I read every single one. I will see you in the next video.